Welcome to LearnIt, your ultimate destination for learning something new. Are you ready to expand your knowledge, discover new skills, and unlock your potential? Look no further than LearnIt, where we're dedicated to bringing you engaging and informative content designed for curious minds like yours. From insightful tutorials and practical how-to guides to thought-provoking discussions and in-depth explorations of fascinating subjects, our channel covers a wide range of topics. We believe that learning should be accessible to everyone, regardless of age, background, or experience level. With a passionate team of expert educators, industry professionals, and enthusiasts, we strive to create an inclusive and supportive learning community. So, if you're hungry for knowledge and ready to embark on an exciting learning journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of learners. LearnIt, where knowledge meets opportunity. Let's start learning together. Here are 10 exciting blogging niches to explore and inspire, where we strive to provide you with valuable and engaging content across a range of niches. Today, we want to share with you 10 exciting options for blogging that are sure to captivate your interest and inspire your own blogging journey. Whether you're a seasoned blogger looking for a fresh niche or a newbie eager to explore new topics, these niches offer a world of possibilities to connect with readers and make a positive impact. With these 10 captivating niches, we invite you to explore and immerse yourself in topics that resonate with your passions and values. Stay tuned as we dive deep into each niche, sharing valuable insights, practical tips, and engaging stories. Our goal is to inspire, inform, and empower you, our cherished readers, as we embark on this exciting blogging journey together. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to embark on this incredible adventure with you.
Great options for blogging. 1. Sustainable fashion and ethical clothing. Write blog posts about sustainable fashion brands, eco-friendly fabrics, and the importance of conscious consumerism. Share outfit ideas, style tips, and feature interviews with sustainable fashion designers. Collaborate with other bloggers or influencers in the sustainable fashion industry to expand your reach. 2. Plant-based and vegan recipes. Create a blog dedicated to plant-based and vegan recipes, sharing delicious and nutritious dishes. Include recipe variations, ingredient substitution ideas, and cooking tips. Share your own culinary experiences, review plant-based products, and engage with the vegan community through social media and collaborations. 3. Home organization and decluttering. Offer practical tips and step-by-step guides on decluttering and organizing different areas of the home. Share before and after photos, storage solutions, and minimalist living advice. Create printable checklists or decluttering challenges for your readers to follow along and track their progress. 4. Mindfulness and meditation practices. Write informative and inspiring articles on mindfulness techniques, meditation practices, and the benefits of incorporating mindfulness into daily life. Offer guided meditations or mindfulness exercises as downloadable resources. Share personal experiences and reflections on your own mindfulness journey. 5. DIY crafts and upcycling projects. Publish DIY tutorials and step-by-step guides for various crafts and upcycling projects. Include detailed instructions, materials lists, and photos of the process. Encourage readers to share their own creations by featuring user-generated content and hosting DIY challenges or contests. 6. Travel guides for eco-friendly destinations. Create detailed travel guides for eco-friendly destinations, highlighting sustainable activities, accommodations, and local initiatives. Share your own travel experiences and recommendations for responsible tourism. Include tips for eco-conscious packing, transportation, and supporting local communities. 7. Parenting tips and advice for new parents. Write informative and relatable blog posts on various parenting topics, such as newborn care, sleep training, breastfeeding, and child development milestones. Share personal anecdotes, practical tips, and expert advice. Engage with your readers through comments, Q&A sessions, and reader-submitted questions. 8. Fitness and wellness for busy professionals. Offer workout routines, fitness tips, and wellness strategies specifically tailored for busy professionals. Write articles on time management, stress reduction, and self-care practices. Share your own fitness journey, progress photos, and success stories to inspire and motivate your readers. 9. Personal finance and budgeting strategies. Publish articles on budgeting techniques, money-saving tips, and investment strategies. Share practical advice for financial planning, debt management, and achieving financial goals. Offer downloadable budget templates or financial calculators as valuable resources for your readers. 10. Online dating and relationship advice. Write informative and insightful articles on online dating tips, building healthy relationships, and effective communication in partnerships. Offer advice on navigating challenges, maintaining long-distance relationships, and self-growth within relationships. Engage with your readers through comments, relationship Q&A sessions, and guest posts from relationship experts.